Once again, a child has to lose a life because of the negligence of the doctors in the hospital. A fever-stricken child named Kunal Tripura, aged 3 years 7 months, resident of Manpathar area of Santir Bazar, died because of the negligence of doctors. Complaints of negligence surrounding the death of children in the hospital. Once again, a child has to lose a life because of the negligence of the doctors in the hospital. A fever-stricken child named Kunal Tripura died because of the problems of oxygen cylinder in the hospital. Incident occurred at Gumati District Hospital on Thursday. On Thursday, Subrata Tripura and his wife Kalpana Tripura from Manpathar took their 3-year-old son Kunal Tripura to Gumati Hospital because he was stricken with fever. However, there was a problem in the oxygen cylinder and the doctors declared him dead. However, Gumati District Hospital authorities doesn't show any concern about the incident. Helpless parents blame the authorities of the hospital regarding the incident.
কি হয়েছিল? কি নাম বাচ্চা কি নাম আসলো? কুনাল কি? বাড়ি কোথায়? বয়স কত?
3 বছর 7 মাস।
বাবার নাম কি? বাবার নাম কি? কি করে?
কাজ করবে।
কি হয়েছে আপনার ছেলে?
ছেলে কিছু হয়েছিল শুধু আজকে কালকে জ্বর উঠেছিল। জ্বরে
আপনার কি হয়? আপনার কি হয় বাচ্চাটা?
ছেলে।
কি নাম আপনার কি নাম?
কল্পনা।
অল্পনা কি?
Public are deeply worried and disheartened with the continuous death of the children at Udaipur Hospital. Likewise, parents of Kunal Tripura blame for the negligence of the doctors for the death of their child. Reported by Rajiv from Udaipur, Chini Khorang.